Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is Saturday, February 8th, 9th. I don't know. It's Saturday. Just got done with my daily walk. Solid 30 minutes. Full speed. I had like 3 streets to the south that had pretty big inclines that, man, you really know you have hamstrings when you start walking up and down these streets 3 times, like the sidewalk, the middle of the street, and then the other sidewalk. But yeah, we're gonna have a good weekend, see the grandkids, Zoom call the grandkids in Minnesota. And yeah, don't take the crypto market too seriously. We know where we're going, up and to the right. Again, the day-to-day, the week-to-week, dare I say the month-to-month, don't worry about it. I've been around 2.5 cycles. This is my 3rd cycle, my 3rd 4-year cycle. Yeah, in earlier cycles, the more I looked at the market, the more frustrated I got. But now, the more I understand the market, I'm not really worried about it in any way, shape, or form. What else? I think that's it. Got a few emails from people wanting non-financial advice, which I gave them, my non-financial advice. And yeah, take a look at the Dabba Network referral link below if you want to earn legit passive income. The token launch is the end of first quarter. Maybe it'll spill into a little bit of the second quarter. But yeah, for $199, you buy a hotspot / router in India. They install it. They've got the network all set up, and you collect monthly income. So that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Where is my Florida weather? Love y'all. Bye-bye.